What's up guys, this is Jordan from Austin Motoring here. I don't know if you can see me because I can barely see me, but we're back at the garage and I don't know if you can see this hood, but it's a Miata. There's another one over there too. So we're going to be doing a couple heart transplants today. Alright, so basically this Miata here, 1.8. That's the 1.8. This thing got in an accident. This thing is fine. So that engine is perfect. Go inside of here. Hopefully this turbo one, not NA, it will just go perfectly. Hopefully.
Oh, yo, there's a big hider back there. I'm scared to work on this car now.
Just let him see that there's nothing that he's looking for. Don't you know? Okay.
And when we can take off the AC,
It's still pressurized?
I believe so.
That was fun the first time I did that, so I'll stand back. Alright, so basically right now what he's doing is depressurizing the AC system the best way we know how. Gently. So we were trying to do it before. Look at those Gorilla Grip gloves. Gorilla Grip. Yeah, I'm wearing one too, but I don't have any of those.
So currently we're drilling the exhaust out because it cannot slide out.
Okay. OSHA, it's not a real business. I'm scared to touch that. All sorts of hot. All we gotta do really is
And when I'm like, yo, what?
oh man. That's the fun part. Is that what you call VTEC? What, planned VTEC? Literally like just this little piece.
We can hammer it. Do we have a hammer?
Yes we do. Hammer time. That's the one thing we have.
Oh, yes!
Uh-oh.
I love hammers.
Right. You wanna do this then?
I got it.
Oh, cool.
The whole car just lifted up.
Mm-hmm.
Did it?
Mm-hmm. Keeping an eye on this jack right now.
There's a tire right next to you, so you should be chilling.
Yeah, but then that little drop is the scariest thing you'll ever see.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm just gonna move from here.
I'll leave you. Alright. There's one way to make the hole bigger.
Oh, my knees hurt. I'm like an old man.
Wait until you hit 26.
Who knew out of this whole like engine swap process that removing the exhaust is going to be the most taxing part of it? That's the one thing that we can't get out.
This thing's not even budging. Is there? Nah, there's nothing. It's like that game at Six Flags where you sit in a chair. The metal. You know,
Oh yeah.
I broke it. Ugh.
I don't care about the whole loose part. I just want to hear I broke it. So. Oh, look at that speed. Look at the speed. That looks like a good amount.
Hopefully.
Oh, that should be good. Jakor, I think we got it. Yeah. Just make sure that side doesn't hit the jack.
Oh, it's stuck on the flange.
Can it be pushed up?
Oh. Alright, now pull it.
I would, because bumper.
There you go. It's like so close.
Stupid freaking bumper. I mean, the best I can do is maybe drill it out a little bit more.
Yeah.
The charger.
Since I put it up yesterday. We out? Oh, nice.
Where's the hammer? Hit it with a hammer once. There you go.
You can't just pull it out from there?
There we go.
Woo! Woo! There we go.
We are the champion. My friend.
Rush it up.
All right. Transmission now, right?
Yep.
I truly think we can get this bottom end out today. We have lights, so.
Yeah.
Let's do it. My wife is already upset, so we don't get more upset.
You're not wrong. All right.
Okay.
How many training bolts?
3 on each side, maybe, or at least 3 on this side.
All right. Let's get it.
Okay.
So, we gonna cage the outside of this thing?
Your choice, bro. It's a free car for you guys. Title's at my house, and you can have that.
Why not?
The first cage Miata.
Very true, yeah.
This is a surely but slowly process.
Oh, one of those. Nah, that was something else. Look at animal.
Oh, I see it.
But there's something else right here too.
An animal in there?
Yeah, you didn't hear the footsteps?
No. Footsteps?
Like the stuff breaking?
I'm not a, what is that?
Hit right in the face.
What is that?
It goes right here. For the engine hose heater.
Oh, okay.
Right in the face.
I'm like, that shouldn't come off the transmission.
Now my face feels good.
Unless you need to get off.
The training bolts.
Yep.
One here, and then two on the bottom. And then
Transmission cross number is still in there, right?
I'm gonna assume so.
Okay.
What is that ring?
Everything's just plug and play, right?
Same motor, same motor.
Just leave all the wiring and stuff right here.
Yeah, we just gotta. This motor's gotta come out. Which, honestly, while you're doing that, we can get started on this.
Okay.
So,
Take me a hot minute.
yeah, we can do this while he's doing that. Honestly, like, it's really easy. It's just like connecting stuff up. So. I'm gonna get my gloves. That's pretty much my last piece. So.
This is a good intake right here.
Head from there.
It's nice and clean.
Pretty new, yeah.
Take three.
Take three. Take one.
YouTube doesn't know.
Worst case scenario, drop some stuff there.
Snap.
Breaks my whole mouth.
Okay. Something on the side here. Something the tire part. I'll drop it a little bit down.
Is there another bolt somewhere?
It looked like the motor mount.
Is there one more?
Sure.
You disconnected the clutch?
Well, the transmission.
Well, transmission, yeah.
Because it's gotta come up like this.
How did
that crack?
I did hear that.
Something on this side. That sounded like plastic.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh.
This should not be touching this.
Yeah, but I literally can't see from the LEDs. I was looking right at it. Okay.
That's crazy. I think you just broke your fan.
Yeah, but we got another one over there, so it's not an issue.
You're gonna have one fan on the right side and one fan on the left side not working.
That's not moving anymore, right? No.
Nah, it's stuck on.
Let me drop it back down. There you go.
A rare animal in this next
That teamwork makes the dream work. Yeah.
Oh, man!
You remember the training has a shaft in it.
No.
So as I lift it up, pull it forward by the bolts.
Oh, there it goes.
Go.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think we need someone for the transmission. Remember we had to tilt it up before?
Oh, yeah. We had a jack, though.
You have a pry bar? A crowbar for the...
A cry bar?
Against the back of the block to the frame. Try and slide it up. Finally got it out.
Wait,
What?
we got this part.
Something else can I do?
I
Sparky.
think I need a 12.
12. Here we go. You got a camera?
Yeah, it's recording.
Can you tilt up the hood? Okay.
Oh, there goes my head. Got a wicked headed just to go by.
How are we gonna get this inside the garage?
Magic. Mostly magic.
I think we could put it inside the trunk of the Miata. Everything else goes in the trunk, so.
Which trunk? This trunk?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure you hold that.
You can put the prop back on the hood so we don't have to roll it. Yeah.
Put it under the wire.
This would be a terrible time for the chain to fall.
Exactly. Why would you say that?
Why would you say that?
This is just hold the motor.
Yep.
Yep.
You almost hit an end though. Alright, drop it down. And I'm pretty sure we can pick this up between us.
Can.
That'd be the best
Do you want to do that, or you could just move this car back and we just pull it inside?
No, you can move it through the car. That's what we did.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, just put it down as far down as you can.
Or for safety precautions.
I'm not trying to lose all my toes. Maybe just one or two.
Right there. Now, should I help you or should I record?
Just record.
Get some contact. Good contact.
This has been a year in the making, basically.
We gotta make a video of someone just sitting
We're
in.
gonna be pushing it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I was gonna pull it.
We gotta make a video of someone just sitting in here making the noises.
Make a TikTok video with someone inside of the engine bay. I can't see what's going on there, so.
1 second. Alright, good now.
Hold up.
Wheel.
Yeah, it's dragging.
Wheel.
The right one.
Yeah.
Push.
Is that, you see that? Where it's stuck on there? Hold up. Here we go. Yeah, God.
Word.
Watch the wire. Alright, the exhaust.
You did not. You just threw the door in the car. Don't mind the mess. We got things.
We got another wheel to move over. Other side.
I hope you guys didn't do that.
Nah, it's garbage. That was our
Where are we
garbage.
going with this? Over there?
Nah.
Put it right here.
Yeah, leave it right here. Easy access.
Easy. Now we got 2 motors in here.
It's about to be 3.
That's it for today, huh?
That is it. I don't care what else we have to do. Let's pack up those tools and get out of here.
It's good to me and my wife.
Listen, guys, if you ever want to swap a motor in your Miata, I don't care who says, I don't care what Forza says, I don't care what Assetto Corsa says, don't do it. I'll see you guys later.